We will make Nigeria ungovernable if Peter Obi, Labour Party, PDP attempt to stop Tinubu swearing in. Femi Fani-Kayode threatened. Former Minister of Aviation and member of All Progressive Congress Presidential Campaign Council, Femi Fani-Kayode, has threatened the supporters of the opposition parties, Labour Party and PDP, to desist from their attempts to annul the 2023 presidential election, which produced Bola Tinubu. Femi Kayode said this in a release on Saturday, adding that the country would be made ungovernable if the supporters of Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi did not stop their protest against the results of the 2023 general election. He said the event of the last few days shows that the Nigerian opposition, represented by Atiku Abubakar, articulators, and the fellow Peter Obi called obedience, have lost control of their sense. Let this be served as a timeless warning. We cannot be punching bag opposition forever. Very soon we will react. Trust me when I tell you that if there's any foul play in the matter of swearing in Bola Tinubu, there will be a consequence, he added, and Nigeria will be ungovernable for them.
This is OĽUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.